Yeah, well, it's somewhat cooler today. 2.2 degrees right now, 2.1 overnight, and 9.5, 9.6 I think it was. No, 9.5 during the day yesterday. And for a change, it's dry on the ground. So we'll come and have a look at the rain gauge. Well, there is something here in the rain gauge. We'll call that 1 millimetre. It's sunny. Just see the rays of sunshine over the roofs of the houses over there, and panning round, there's some cows in the field over there, long shadows from the houses. So it's Tuesday the 17th of February, and there's more cows in the far field over there.